After you've installed the plugin, you'll have an option in your vendor menu for text1099.com e-file. Select that option and upload 1099 data to start the process of e-filing your 1099 forms. Enter your text1099.com information and then pick the tax year that you want to file for. Typically that will be 2017, but you may have forms that you want to file for a prior year as well. I'm going to pick 2017 and click Login. Text1099 will review your vendor data file looking for 1099 eligible vendors. It will take those 1099 eligible vendors and look for eligible payments for the tax year that you've selected, and then it will pull that data over into Text1099. This is our import grid. The import grid lets you see if you have any data missing that's required by the IRS. In my instance, I'm missing data from my payer. I'm missing the phone number that I need to have in order for someone to call in case they had a question about the form that they were receiving. Once I add that phone number, I'll no longer see a red dot next to that person's name or next to that company's name. In Text1099, I'll see the current amount and the number of vendors that I've imported. I'll be able to compare that back to my 1099 summary report from QuickBooks Desktop. If everything matches up, then I'm able to move forward. I can also change data here if I should need to. You'll notice I have a box 3, other income amount. If that were incorrect, I could change that to box 7 or box 1 or any other box that I might need to make that change to. I could also change the dollar figure there if I needed to. I have access to this person's information as well, and so I can change any of the information on her record if I need to as well. Keep in mind, these changes are only for the form that I'm creating in Text1099 that will not report back to QuickBooks Desktop. Assuming everything is good once you come over from QuickBooks Desktop, or you've made any changes that you want to make and you're ready to proceed, click the Select All button there at the top left, click Next, and I'll import in this form. I only have one, but you may have certainly dozens or hundreds or thousands of forms coming over from your QuickBooks Desktop instance. Once I'm here, I can take advantage of any of the options that I see here. I can e-file the forms. I can choose for Text1099 to send them via mail or email. I can do TIN matching. I can do state filing. And I can control the scheduled date for the vendor filing for the e-file portion. If you choose to have Text1099 mail or email, those will go out as soon as possible. And you also have the option to do your own mailing by using our PDF copies that you'll be able to access under the Manage Forms menu. This page has more detail covered in a separate video if you'd like to see that. And there's a separate video on the Manage Forms page that lets you know what the options are there as well.